with the blue jumping off. I am really feeling that color right now.
All right, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, Big Burns Moto Life. Hustle and muscle every day. Oh my God, as you can see, it is snowing, the first snow. Guys, you can check out Ghost looking so crisp and clean in the snow. But I thought it would be a great idea to do a review of the 2015 Roadglide Special. Summer will be here before you know it. You guys are gonna be looking for brand new bikes out there. So I wanna give you a review of this Roadglide. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's get money. All right, fam, so let's get started with this review of the 2015 Roadglide Special. Want to give a shout out to all of Harley Nation. Doesn't matter what you guys are riding, if it's a Dynasoft tail, Street Glide, Road Glide, whatever, we are all slipping and dipping together. So let's get this review started. First off, I want to say that I really want to give a shout out to Harley Davidson for Project Rushmore, and what that is for guys out there who don't know, it is a spurt of technology that they put starting in the 2015 Roadglide Special. They gave the bike a sleeker look. They also gave the engine improvements as well as improvements all over the bike. So we're gonna start off first with that motor. Let's get into it. Everybody out there, we all ride motorcycles. We like to go fast. We like power. It is a fact. They upgraded to the 103 cubic inch motor. Loving the motor. What they did was they lifted the cams up, which gives it more horsepower, more torque, and in turn it's going to give you ultimately more power. Guys, if you maintain this engine, it is virtually maintenance free if you keep your service dates. That is one huge thing that I am loving about the upgrade to the 103 engine. It is a strong, proven engine, guys. I know they've got the 107, the 114, the 117, but the 103 is a great, strong running engine. So I know I've got the 103 motor and I am really loving that. It runs super strong. We discussed that. So let's go into really another reason why you want to buy a motorcycle. Because you want it to look badass. Let's keep it real out there, nation. It has got to look great. So in 15, I am loving the way that they squared off that shark nose and gave it a more aggressive modern look. The older models were more rounded off, and I just did not care for that look in the 14s or below. Love the bikes, just did not like the front fairing. Guys, you can see they really updated that along with the headlights. They gave them a more aggressive look, the streamline in there. Now, you can see I put a trim piece on there, which really turned that out. That makes it really super customizable, but I am really loving the clean lines that they put on the bike. We're gonna go back to the saddlebags, guys, and one huge thing right here is the quick release. And for the saddlebags, I can really tell you from experience, I hated the saddlebags on the other side here where you had to flip it up. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. The quick release is an amazing thing that they put on, really super quick and easy to release it. Another aspect of the bike that I am really loving. Let's check this boy out from the rear. Guys, you see, I am loving the way that they streamlined the rear. They gave it a more aggressive look. They filled in with the fillers. Now you see I've got the saddlebag lights on there as well as the LED lights. I'm really loving the way they gave that an aggressive feel in the back. I feel like from the rear, I look ultra cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. One thing I do not like, however, is with the suspension. If you are planning on riding a passenger quite often, you are gonna have to change that suspension, some better shocks on there. The factory shocks are not the best. For a single rider, you are okay, but if you are gonna try to ride someone, you're gonna have to pull this saddlebag off and get to those shocks and put some improvements on there. All right, so let's get to the nitty gritty of the bike. Man, it is looking so amazing out here. So let me jump on. I'm gonna hop on real quick and I'm gonna show you one of the reasons, huge reasons that I bought the 2015 Roadglide Special. Man, guys, you can see the infotainment boom radio right here with the navigation. I'm gonna go ahead and get it shut on right now. Now, while it's loading up, you guys see the Harley Davidson. I absolutely love seeing that come across the screen. But while it's loading up, I'm gonna give you a few other features that I like. I am really digging the inner fairing right here, that painted vivid black inner fairing. Also, I want to show you guys, if you had to have a road glide, you see this little button right here, you push that and it gives you the vent. That really helps with the airflow, so it makes your ride even more comfortable. A great added effect on there. And again, fellas, I want to show you the handlebars. They're pushed back a few inches, which will give a taller rider. I'm about 5'10", but I've got long arms, so it gives me a great riding stance when I'm up in there. I see everything is all set up and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my phone to this real quick. Guys, you see I'm just gonna hit the Bluetooth right there. See that connecting? And then we're gonna go ahead, Galaxy 9 connected. And as you see, it is getting ready to go. This is a game changer out there, fellas, if you got the 2014s or below. All right, fellas, so you see I have got everything all hooked up. Man, you see Burns Moto Life in the background. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, fellas. But man, you can see everything looks so crystal clear, and everything is right in my touch of my hands. I've got full control of my motorcycle. Man, just another reason why I am loving the Roadglide Special. All right, and just like that, man, it is freezing out here, but a MotoVlogger's job is never done. I'm gonna continue to smash this great content out to you. So let's finish this up in a summary of the 2015 Roadglide Special in the back. Man, I am absolutely loving the bike. It's got a great motor, the 103. It's got a lot of torque, power. It is super comfortable, and at high speeds, man, it feels like you're going 55. And it is an amazing bike. It is a sleek, modern design. I am absolutely loving it. Okay, so guys, this is like a pretty girlfriend, and what comes with a pretty girlfriend are problems. So let me give you some of the problems that come with this bike. Number one, if you're gonna be riding somebody, you're gonna have to change out those stock shocks and put in some great suspension on the back, fellas, to get a more comfortable ride. Number two, you better not skip leg day, because this bike is heavy as shit. It is 800 pounds. I am not deterring you. It is a great ride once you get it going, but moving it in tight places, if you're a smaller person, is gonna be a task. Number three, and the biggest of all, is gonna be the price. Guys, this is the top of the line bike, so it's gonna cost the top of the line cash. So remember that, but it is a great bike nonetheless. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. I am about to get out of here and get this day going. All right, until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace. With that being said, it is time to put a wrap on today's video. I hope you fellas enjoyed the review of my 2015 Harley Davidson Roadglide Special. Hey, if you are in the market for a new bike, don't forget it's going to be some give and take. With the good, there's always going to be the bad. You've got to meet it in the middle and make it work for you. So until next time, I holla. Peace.